Life can be very busy. It is easy to feel stressed and overwhelmed. Guided meditation can help you find peace. It can help you feel calmer and happier. Guided meditation is like a journey. It takes you to a place of peace inside yourself. You are not alone on this journey. A guide talks you through it. The guide helps you to focus. You focus on your breath, your body, and your thoughts. Guided meditation is easy to learn and practice. Guided meditation can help you manage stress. When you are stressed, your mind races, your body feels tense. Meditation helps to slow down your thoughts. It helps you relax your body. This makes you feel calmer and more in control. Guided meditation can also help with anxiety. Anxiety can make you feel worried and afraid. Meditation helps you to focus on the present moment. When you focus on the present, you worry less about the future. This can help to reduce your anxiety. A typical guided meditation session is very relaxing. You find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. You close your eyes and listen to the guide's voice. The guide might ask you to focus on your breath. They might ask you to notice the sensations in your body. The guide might also use calming sounds. These sounds can help you to relax. Nature sounds and soft music are common choices. The guide's voice is gentle and soothing. They help you to let go of negative thoughts and feelings. The key to experiencing the benefits of guided meditation is to practice regularly. Try to meditate for a few minutes each day. You can meditate in the morning to start your day with peace. You can also meditate in the evening to unwind before bed. Over time, you will find that meditation becomes easier. You will notice the benefits more and more each day. Scientific studies show that meditation helps reduce stress. It can improve your focus and concentration. Meditation can even improve your sleep. Start your guided meditation journey today. You deserve to experience the peace and calm it can bring. This is a guided meditation to help you relax and find inner peace. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and then slowly exhale. Feel the tension leaving your body with each breath. Imagine a warm golden light surrounding you, filling you with a sense of calm and tranquility. As you continue to breathe deeply, let go of any negative thoughts or worries. Focus on the present moment and allow yourself to fully relax. You are safe, you are calm, you are at peace. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine this golden light expanding, creating a protective shield around you. This light not only brings calm, but also shields you from external stress and negativity. With each breath, feel this shield becoming stronger, more vibrant. Now bring your attention to your heart. Feel the warmth and kindness it holds. Let this warmth spread throughout your body from your head to your toes. Allow yourself to bask in this sensation of pure peace and contentment. Whenever you feel ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace and protection with you throughout your day. Remember, this inner oasis is always within you, waiting for you to return. Thank you for joining this guided meditation. May you carry this tranquility with you always.